Imagine a culinary kaleidoscope, bursting with vibrant colors and fresh, delicate flavors. This is the allure of rainbow sushi, a feast for the eyes as much as the palate. Each piece is a tiny work of art, meticulously crafted to delight your senses. Originating in Japan, sushi making is an art form, a delicate dance between fresh ingredients and precise technique. The balance of flavors and textures is key, and every step is performed with care and attention to detail. But fear not, aspiring sushi chefs. With a little patience and this guide, you too can master the art of rainbow sushi in the comfort of your own home. It's a rewarding experience that brings joy and satisfaction. From the melt-in-your-mouth tenderness of salmon sashimi to the satisfying bite of a perfectly rolled chumaki, rainbow sushi offers a symphony of textures and tastes. Each bite is an adventure, a journey through layers of flavor. The journey begins with sourcing the freshest fish and finest ingredients. Quality is paramount, and the right ingredients make all the difference. Then, with a steady hand and a sprinkle of culinary creativity, you'll craft a masterpiece that transports you to the heart of Japan. The process is as enjoyable as the end result. So are you ready to embark on this exciting culinary adventure? Let's begin our sushi making journey together. With each roll, you'll gain confidence and skill, creating beautiful and delicious sushi that will impress your friends and family. Before we embark on our sushi making adventure, let's gather the essential ingredients. These ingredients are the foundation of our delicious and visually stunning rainbow sushi set. For this vibrant rainbow sushi set, we'll need sushi-grade salmon, perfectly ripe avocado, and crisp cucumber. The quality of these ingredients is crucial for the best flavor and texture. The avocado should be creamy and smooth, while the cucumber adds a refreshing crunch. And let's not forget the fiery wasabi paste, which brings a spicy kick to our sushi. The star ingredient in our sushi rice is, of course, short-grain Japanese rice. This rice is essential for its sticky texture, which helps in forming the sushi rolls perfectly. This special rice, with its sticky texture, is key to achieving perfectly formed sushi. It's important to cook it just right to get that ideal stickiness. We'll also need rice vinegar, sugar, and salt to season our rice to perfection. These ingredients balance the flavors and give the rice its distinctive taste. Don't forget the nori seaweed sheets, which will encase our colorful chumaki rolls. The nori adds a subtle umami flavor and holds everything together. Finally, gather your sushi-making tools, a sharp knife, a bamboo rolling mat, and a small bowl of water for your hands. These tools are essential for crafting beautiful and precise sushi rolls. The water helps keep the rice from sticking to your hands, making the rolling process much smoother. With our ingredients prepped and ready, we're set to dive into the art of sushi making. Let's get started on this culinary journey and create some delicious sushi together. The foundation of any delicious sushi lies in perfectly cooked and seasoned sushi rice. Begin by rinsing the short-grain Japanese rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and ensures fluffy rice. Next, cook the rice according to the package instructions. Once cooked, gently transfer the rice to a large bowl. In a separate saucepan, combine rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, and heat gently until the sugar dissolves. Pour this mixture over the warm rice and, using a wooden spoon or rice paddle, gently fold the seasoning into the rice. Be careful not to mash the rice. Allow the seasoned rice to cool to room temperature before assembling your sushi. Section 4. Simplicity on a plate, preparing salmon sashimi and nigiri. Sashimi, with its elegant simplicity, is a testament to the freshness of the ingredients. Using a very sharp knife, slice the salmon against the grain into thin, bite-sized pieces. Arrange these delicate slices artfully on a plate. For the nigiri, take a small ball of seasoned sushi rice and shape it gently with your hands into an oblong mound. Dab a small amount of wasabi paste onto the rice if desired. Drape a slice of salmon over the rice, pressing gently to secure it. Repeat with the remaining rice and salmon slices. Section 5. A kaleidoscope of flavors, crafting vibrant chumaki rolls. Now for the pièce de résistance, our colorful chumaki rolls. These rolls are not just a feast for the taste buds but also a visual delight, showcasing a spectrum of vibrant colors and textures. Lay a sheet of nori seaweed on your bamboo rolling mat, shiny side down. This will be the foundation of your roll, providing that essential umami flavor. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice over the nori, leaving a small border at the top edge. The rice should be evenly distributed to ensure a balanced bite in every piece. Get creative with your fillings. This is where you can let your culinary imagination run wild. For a classic California roll, arrange avocado, cucumber, and imitation crab meat in a line across the rice. These ingredients provide a creamy and crunchy texture that is simply irresistible. For a rainbow roll, use strips of colorful fish like tuna and yellowtail, along with avocado and cucumber. The combination of fresh fish and creamy avocado creates a delightful contrast. Once your fillings are arranged, lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you and begin rolling away from you, tucking the fillings in as you go. This step requires a bit of practice, but with patience, you'll get the hang of it. Use gentle pressure to create a tight roll. This ensures that the roll holds together when you slice it. Moisten the top edge of the nori with water to seal the roll. This step is crucial to keep the roll intact. Using a sharp knife dipped in water, slice the roll into bite-sized pieces. The water prevents the rice from sticking to the knife, ensuring clean cuts. Repeat with remaining ingredients, experimenting with different filling combinations. Each roll can be a new adventure, a unique creation that reflects your personal taste and creativity. Section 6. Presentation is everything plating your rainbow sushi set. Just as a painter carefully arranges colors on a canvas, so too do we present our rainbow sushi with care. Arrange the sashimi, nigiri, and chumaki on a beautiful platter. Serve with small bowls of soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi paste. For an extra touch, garnish with edible flowers or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, a vibrant, delicious rainbow sushi set, ready to transport you to a Japanese culinary paradise. Enjoy!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.